What's good, my fellow mobs? Like, so today, me and Destiny, we are doing McDonald's Big Mac Eat Off, aka speed eating, which I'll put in the title, and then probably like tag Mad Stonie or something, because that shit gets clicks and I'm not dumb. Yeah. So I hope you enjoy. I'm eating with one hand, and I give her a head start.
Yeah,
we'll see who wins.
Head start. Half a burger head start.
Yeah, half a burger head start. We'll see who wins, and yeah. Okay, ready?
Yeah, are you gonna give me a head start?
Well, I'll give you a head start, Joe.
Yeah, you'll give me a head start. Holy fuck. Why did I just choose nuggets? Why did I have to pick a burger?
That was somebody upstairs.
I shouldn't have eaten those pieces of pizza. Holy fuck.
Let's go, Destiny. You got this.
Like, what the fuck, man?
Almost done my fries.
Fuck you, buddy. My lip ring got stuck on my tooth.
Excuses and hurry up and just do this.
He's home. Don't you freaking know he's home?
I could have won fucking using no hands.
You didn't win yet, bitch. Your burger's still there.
I won.
You still have like all your fries.
You already know you won because that's gonna be gone in like 3 bites, so fuck you.
It's fucking soggy.
Did you just chew it twice and swallow? Oh my god. Don't choke. I don't know CPR.
I'll be fine.
Mom knows. I should just stop at this point. I'm just shoving fries in my mouth. I'm not gonna wait.
Wash it down with your drink, Dustin.
Fuck you, Brandon.
Josh, to finish this drink, you got this, Destiny. Go.
Jesus Christ.
My hands are so greasy I can't even hold up my fucking cup with one hand. I feel like a child.
I'm just gonna fucking finish this and chug it.
Good job. Man down. Poop down.
Excuse me.
did pretty fucking good.
I give you like half a burger head start, and I was using one hand.
I also fucking didn't realize you were gonna be here right away, and I ate 2 pieces of pizza in the car right before.
So I hope you enjoyed.
My fucking stomach hurts.
Sam, I forgot how to do an outro. It's only been like 4 days, but hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next. Let me know what kind of food challenge you want to see next, and with who. How many times can I clap in the outro? I have no idea. And yeah, easy dubs. Oh, I don't know what this. Yeah, okay, whatever. Cut.
I knew it was a good burp.